Hello, my name is Hector Velasquez and welcome to another episode of Hector's Shop. Today we're going to demonstrate how to remove the outer shell of a water pump bearing when this happens. And that bearing's well in there. Well, there's one method that I know of that's going to make this task just a little bit easier, and we're going to be using the Roller Tamer Jr. to remove that. Let me show you how quick and easy this job can be. Okay, so here's the tools that we're going to need. We're going to need the Roller Tamer Jr. We're going to need a collet part number RT153 with the forcing screw RT151, a set of open wrenches, and of course we're going to be replacing that with a stackable bearing set from TurfPride. Alright, now the first thing we want to do is want to make sure that that inner race is clean, free of any debris and grease. We want to be able to see that little valley in there because this collet needs to sit in that valley. Let me show you what I mean. On a water pump bearing, the ball bearings ride on a little valley on that outer race. That collet is going to sit right in that valley. Now, once you got that collet positioned, we're going to thread in the forcing screw. And once it's bottomed out, we're going to use a couple wrenches to give it another quick tightening. Not much, but we want to make sure that thing is under nice and secure, just like this. All right, we're ready to feed it into the Roller Tamer Jr. We're going to get the end threaded on. We want to make sure that it's bottomed out. You don't have to tighten this. You just want to get it threaded in. You want to make sure that that roller is sitting in that valley of that roller tamer. And then we're going to bottom out the nut on the other side, right into the thrust bearing. There we go. Now, using a 32mm gear wrench, this comes with the Roller Tamer, by the way, but we're going to start cranking down on that screw. And as you can see, that outer race is starting to come out of that roller. And it's doing a mighty fine job of it, too. We're almost there. All right, that's it. We are done. This roller is now ready for our new stackable bearing. Let me get this off. Now let me show you why I'm using the stackable bearing. This is your traditional water pump bearing. It only has 2 rows of bearings, while the stackable bearing has 4 rows. I don't know about you, but more is better. Let me get this pressed on. With the Roller Tamer, it's just that easy to remove your outer shell of these water pump bearings. And obviously we replaced it with the stackable bearings, which means I will no longer have this problem with this roller. I want to thank you for joining me here today here on Hector's Shop. I'm just reminding you to keep those zerks greased.